Assuntskeittiö Erkki Melartinin puisto.
Yeah, this is also amazing today on the 14th of March 2025, and this is beautiful for sure. But they are the same acoustic one.
Yeah.
Proper, it's as it should be. And this is an Eskolantie, Eskolantie 12 to 14 staircase F here in Pukinmäki, Buxton, Helsinki Airport. Also in Finland, 5 floors, was built in late 1984 with the AP8 fixtures, finished in 1985. 06376, it has the black logo as well. And some runs here. And luckily they're all with the same code, 9 in 1.
Yeah.
For staircase A to K, but 2 staircases don't have an elevator.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody coming.
Iskut tillbaka vai iskut nyt eteenpäin Kone. That's